Painting interior walls is absolutely DIY friendly, that's cost effective, and can transform your space dramatically. Whether you're going for a fresh coat of the same color or a bold new hue, painting can breathe new life into any room. Updating kitchen hardware is another easy DIY project that can instantly modernize your space. Simply replacing old handles and knobs with sleek, contemporary designs can make your kitchen look brand new. However, when it comes to installing smartphone features, it is best to call a pro. So proper integration of these systems ensures they function seamlessly and can save you from potential headaches down the road. For example, landscaping. To boost your curb appeal, a mix of DIY and professional help works best. You can handle simple tasks like planting flowers or mowing the lawn, while professionals can help you with design and more complex installations. These home upgrades can significantly increase your sale price and making them worthy investments. By enhancing your home's aesthetics and functionality, you can attract more buyers and potentially sell your home for a higher price.